Ever made a financial mistake that changed your perspective? What did you learn? And how can you avoid it? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the financial mistake that changed my life. Have you ever made a financial decision that you regretted? I certainly have, and today I want to share the story of a financial mistake that changed my life forever. It all started with a seemingly harmless investment that I thought would secure my future. Instead, it led to a series of unexpected challenges that taught me invaluable lessons about money management and decision making. In this video, I'll take you through the journey of how one poor choice spiraled into a wake-up call, forcing me to reevaluate my financial habits and priorities. I know many of you can relate to the feeling of making a mistake with your finances, whether it's overspending, poor investments, or not saving enough. The truth is, financial mistakes can be tough to swallow, but they also present incredible opportunities for growth. By sharing my experience, I hope to inspire you to learn from your own missteps and turn them into stepping stones for a brighter financial future. So, let's dive in and explore how we can all turn our financial blunders into valuable lessons. The mistake unveiled. Let me take you back to the moment when I made a financial decision that would haunt me for years. It all started when I was feeling particularly confident about my financial knowledge. I had been reading articles and watching videos about investing, and I thought I was ready to dive in. The circumstances seemed perfect. The stock market was booming, and I was eager to make my first investment. In my excitement, I decided to invest a significant portion of my savings into a trendy tech startup that everyone was raving about. My decision-making process was fueled by hype rather than thorough research. I ignored the fundamental principles of investing, convinced that I could ride the wave of popularity. Looking back, there were several warning signs I overlooked. The company had a shaky financial history, and there were whispers of management issues that I brushed aside. I was blinded by the potential for quick gains and failed to consider the risks involved. This mistake taught me the importance of due diligence and the need to listen to my instincts, especially when something feels too good to be true. Immediate consequences. The moment I realized my financial mistake, the repercussions hit me like a ton of bricks. I had invested a large chunk of my savings into that tech startup, and within weeks the company's stock plummeted. The immediate financial impact was devastating. I lost a significant portion of my hard-earned money, which left me scrambling to reassess my budget and financial goals. Emotionally, the experience was overwhelming. I felt a mix of shame and anxiety, questioning my judgment and financial acumen. The fear of not being able to recover from this loss weighed heavily on my mind, leading to sleepless nights and constant worry about my future. As a result of this mistake, my lifestyle underwent a drastic change. I had to cut back on discretionary spending, cancel plans with friends, and put off any major purchases. My priorities shifted from enjoying life to focusing on rebuilding my financial stability. This experience taught me the importance of financial responsibility and the need to approach investments with caution, ultimately reshaping my outlook on money and life. Lessons learned. Reflecting on my financial mistake, several key takeaways emerged that have profoundly influenced my approach to money. First and foremost, I learned the importance of thorough research before making any investment. Understanding the fundamentals of a company and its market position is crucial rather than relying on trends or hype. Another significant lesson was the value of patience. I realized that successful investing is not about chasing quick gains, but about making informed decisions that align with long-term goals. This experience taught me to take a step back and evaluate my options carefully, ensuring that I consider both potential risks and rewards. These lessons have reshaped my future financial decisions. I now prioritize building a diversified portfolio and regularly reassess my investments, always keeping an eye on market trends without getting swept away by them. I encourage you, the viewers, to reflect on your own financial choices. Think about the lessons you've learned from your experiences, whether good or bad. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity for growth, and by learning from them, you can pave the way for a more secure financial future. Turning point. The financial mistake I made became a pivotal turning point in my life. Faced with the reality of my loss, I knew I had to take action to recover. I began by educating myself about personal finance and investing, diving into books, online courses, and podcasts. This newfound knowledge empowered me to make informed decisions and avoid repeating past mistakes. As I worked to rebuild my finances, I also focused on creating a budget that prioritized saving and investing wisely. I started small, setting aside a portion of my income each month to build an emergency fund and gradually invest in more stable assets. The positive changes that emerged from this experience were profound. Not only did I regain my financial footing, but I also developed a healthier relationship with money. I learned to appreciate the value of patience and strategic planning, which ultimately led to a more secure financial future. This journey reinforced the importance of resilience in financial matters. Mistakes are inevitable, but how we respond to them defines our path forward. Embracing challenges with a growth mindset can transform setbacks into opportunities for success. Advice for viewers. As you navigate your financial journey, I want to share some practical advice to help you avoid the mistakes I made. First and foremost, prioritize financial planning. Create a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Next, seek out financial education and resources. There are countless books, online courses, and podcasts available that can enhance your understanding of personal finance and investing. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial choices. Additionally, practice self-awareness when it comes to your finances. Reflect on your spending habits, emotional triggers, and financial goals. Understanding your relationship with money can help you make more mindful decisions and avoid impulsive actions. Finally, don't hesitate to seek advice from financial professionals if you're unsure about a decision. They can provide valuable insights tailored to your unique situation. Remember, taking proactive steps today can lead to a more secure and prosperous financial future. Your journey starts with informed choices and a commitment to continuous learning. In conclusion, we explored the financial mistake that changed my life and the transformative impact it had on my approach to money. I shared how a hasty investment decision led to significant losses, forcing me to reevaluate my financial habits and priorities. This experience taught me invaluable lessons about the importance of research, patience, and resilience in financial matters. Key takeaways for you to remember include the necessity of thorough financial planning, the value of continuous education, and the importance of self-awareness in your financial journey. By learning from mistakes, whether your own or others, you can pave the way for a more secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal finance and investing. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these lessons. Your engagement helps us create a community focused on financial growth and empowerment. Remember, every financial journey is a learning experience. Let's navigate it together. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care